Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 of this series. I had a lot of responses and a lot of likes to the first one. And I've never asked for likes or subscribe, but if you do like it and you hit the like button, it helps me know that it was educational or at least entertaining. But we just talked about the nudge yesterday. We're going to talk about text size and moving the text and making it bigger. This text is 500 points. I'm going to hold down the control button and hit the 8 arrow key. So I'm going to hold down the control button and hit the 8 arrow key and watch our points up here. We went from 5 to 501, 502. I'm hitting the arrow key. I can hit the 2 key and it'll go down that hill. I can hit the 6 key and it doubles it by 10, or not doubles it, but it increases it by 10. So the 4, the 6, the 8, and the 2, the 8 and 4 make it go uphill 1. The 4 and 6 make it go by 10. Now let's change that. Like just what I did in the nudge video, that's not set in stone. Go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw, and this time you don't have to go anywhere because your text is right there. Keyboard text increments. Let's go to 5 and hit OK. Now my text is 500 points. I'm going to control and hit the 8 key. It went to 5, 505, 510. The 2 key back down to 5. The 6 key, it's still at 10. So you're really just changing the 8 and the 4. So I'm going to keep down the control key and I'm going to move it. Now also in this same thing, if you're working, and this is a huge text, but let's put an indexing line at the bottom of it. I don't have snap to on probably. Yeah, I do. I need to get closer to probably the lowest point. Well, I'm having trouble grabbing that. Let me just delete it and get another one. See, I've got it snapped to. Now, if you will hold down the Shift key and go up with the arrow key, I'm holding it down and you're watching it move in real time. I mean, it's barely moving whatsoever because I'm holding down the Shift key. Now, if I use the arrow keys or the mouse, I can move it around freely. But if I hold down the Shift key, and let's say you want it right on that line, but you can't really move it that minutely. If you hold down the Shift key and hit your 2 arrow key, and I'm just holding my finger down and it's slowly going there. So control key to make it bigger. So we're at 545 points. I'm going to hold down the control key and hit the 2. And now I'm at 40, 35, 30, 30, 25, 20, back to 500. And then if I want to grow it by 10, I hit the 6. If I want to delete it by 10, I hit the 4. Those are your numbers on your text size is off the keypad, the number. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.